right, so y'all, this is my lunch for the day. Raging Ranch from hers. And I got my Kool-Aid right over there. But today we are doing CPR. I asked him if I could record it, but evidently I can't record it unless I get permission from the director of the school. So, yeah. As of the status of my check, my coins, I still don't know. Still haven't heard anything. I was supposed to call the VA today. I called the VA today, but nobody's answering the phone because of the National Grieving Day since President Bush died. The daddy died. So, but rest in peace to him. Rest in peace. Oh yeah. I did take one picture. Hopefully I can video the rest of it. If so, I'll just add a clip if I can. So, that is it. That is all. It was supposed to snow today, but it didn't. Thank God. It said 1%. But it's supposed to be like a snow shower. So, however that works. But the financial aid lady did say that she sent in her paperwork, which I should have asked for. Let me see the receipt, because I don't believe shit this lady say. And I'm sorry if I sound like, you know, I'm all crunching in y'all face and whatnot, but these chips was better when my husband gave them to me. I should have got the party mix. But this is Vlogmas day number 5, I think. Because I missed 4. Because truth be told, I was not feeling yesterday. Yesterday, I was just so aggravated, so irritated. I was so annoyed. I was all of them all together. I was just blah. I was not feeling it. And I already cried for y'all once on camera. So, I wasn't finna do that again. So, all I did yesterday was a little bit of note cards for my homework. That was it. Made dinner. And edited my collab video, which is coming out with my twin. And that's about it. Nothing major. So, yeah, guys. I just wanted to let you know what I was doing today. If y'all want to see what's inside my book bag, let me know. Because I know some people was like, well, what do you bring to school with you when you go to class? So, if y'all want to see that, let me know. I can make that a vlog too. But yeah, pretty much we learning how to do compressions on the chest. How to breathe with the mask. And how to breathe with the bag breathing mask. My hand was all red. It was all red and swollen. I don't know if y'all can see it now, but let me see if I can turn the brightness up. Nope, too bright, too bright, too bright. Right now, my palm is like, it was red. I don't know if it's still red, but when I put that bitch under hot water, haha. What is going on? Alright, I had to figure out what was going on with my camera because my brightness was just cutting off. What was I saying? Yeah, my palm was all red. It was about to get swollen right there. Right here. It's all red from doing compressions. Now we about to go, after the lunch break, we about to go in there and do one to a baby. So, I mean, not a real baby. They dummies, but they like electronically activated. So you know if you're saving a person's life or if that person's still dying while you still trying to save their life. But yeah. I'm about to go back in. Because it was only 30 minutes, so. Yeah. I'll see y'all either when I go pick up the kids or on my way home. So I can tell y'all about the babies. So, I'll holla.
Dang, and this is like something like naked girl. girls and stuff while we were watching it. Yeah, it was my freshman year, and then I told my friend, because I was like, nobody's gonna believe me. So I was like, see Taylor's birthday, and like she was like, oh my god, and like I got him my senior year too, and he was like, I was so happy, and then I told my nan, and she's like, oh, why didn't you report it? See, when I reported, well, when I went to go switch out,
on my way to the school. I wasn't even supposed to be out here, y'all. Hubby act like he's so fucking lazy though. Like, you can't get up to pick up the kids while I can start my makeup video. He talking about, well, ain't like by the time I go get them and come back, you gonna be doing your makeup. So the fuck what? The point is, fucking go and do it. Anyway, here nor there. Here nor there. I am, well, y'all with me, so shit. We are going to pick up my child from school, my children from school. See how their day was and shit. You know, the regular schmegular. If y'all already know, y'all already know. If y'all are new, this is how it go. I go to school, vlog, okay? Come home, vlog-ish, a little bit, like on my way back home. Yeah, vlog, because I got to pick up the kids, so I vlog in the car. I vlog picking them up, walking to the car, and that's all you hear about for the whole week. But since it's Vlogmas, y'all gonna hear about it every day, okay? Instead of once a week. So, yeah, once I get home, I'm going to be filming my makeup video. I will show y'all my setup and all that stuff so y'all can know how I do the magic and how it gets done and recorded or whatever. So, y'all, I shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Gotta go, planes coming. Alright, what is up, y'all?
Hi.
It is the next half of my video clip. I don't know if you guys seen the clip of all the stuff that was in the CPR room that I had today. Like I said before, I wish I could have recorded everything, but my teacher wouldn't let me for, I guess he said safety reasons. I don't know why I couldn't film it, but okay, stop. I did take pictures and a little video of what we was using to do the CPR class. So that is about it. It is cold as shit.
I'm gonna put this in.
That's why y'all see me with my hood on. And it snowed a little bit today.
Beautiful.
Stop, Jasmine.
And fastest.
It snowed a little bit today, not too much. It didn't stick to the ground or nothing because it was actually raining with it. So,
and
yeah.
It snowed a little bit and then snowed fast.
Yeah.
So amazing.
My head hurts.
My turn.
I had to wait for hubby because hubby came to the school because he went to his school to go to class. And then we went to go get some snacks and something to eat.
I like
So
snacks.
now we just waiting for Brianna to get out of school per usual. Then we're gonna go home. I'm gonna do my homework. She's gonna do her homework. Snack time, chill time. So yeah, I just have computer homework to do. I'll show you guys my computer homework when I get home and on the computer. So that was pretty much my day. Like I told y'all earlier, I couldn't speak to the financial aid or the VA rep because the VA apparently since President H. Bush, or was it J. Bush? The daddy president died. So they had a national grievance day for him. So the whole system was like off or whatever. But so I'm gonna call him tomorrow and I'm gonna see what's good. See if this lady, because I gave her a day, I didn't bother her. I gave her a day, so we're gonna see if she actually did what she said she did and see if it's in the system. Because I already got an email from financial aid saying that they received my application and there was some changes and corrections made to it. So
Hey, Mommy, you're breaking my
fingers crossed,
lamp.
y'all, that something happens, because I need, it's getting down to the wire, okay? Santa Claus is coming soon.
Yeah.
And I need to get a tree and all that stuff, and I can't if I ain't got no do-re-mis.
And we got no monies. What?
Anyway, you ain't gotta tell them all like that, like we broke as fuck, but you know, yeah.
We broke.
Shut up. I'm deleting that anyway. Don't say that to people.
I did turn it off.
But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get home. Peace. Y'all, once again, it is cold outside. Say hey.
I'm cold.
Vlogmas day number 6. Fuck 4 and 5, okay? Because the way my iPhone was set up, it wouldn't allow me to record. It allowed me to record and edit, but then once I went to go upload it, it wouldn't let me upload. Then my phone just deleted everything, all my photos, all my videos, intros, all that thingamajig. It just deleted everything. So the makeup tutorial that I had with the collab with my twin is gone. Vlogmas day number 5 is gone.
Then you send it to her?
So this is
Did you send it to
Vlogmas
her?
day number 6. No, I did not send it to her.
Oh, you just send her screenshots?
I just showed her the pictures that I took. So this is Vlogmas day number 6. It is cold. We are hurting. We are tired. School took a toll on me this week. He started school again, well, class again, so he could get his recertification for his test. So yeah, today I am cooking when I get home. We're going to the store right quick after we pick up the children.
I'm going to sleep.
Then I'm taking a nap first because I'm dog shit tired, y'all. I'm tired.
You ain't taking no
So
nap. You go in there front like you sleep and play on your doggone phone.
I'm taking a nap. I took a nap yesterday, kinda.
didn't?
As soon as I started to take a nap, they started being all up in my face and wanted to scream and holler.
You was on that phone.
No, I wasn't. So, but yeah, we are picking up Jasmine right now. Then we're gonna sit in the car and wait, and then yeah. Sign the paper, babe. My hands is cold. Freezing. So, baby girl's coming. We're getting baby girl. Say hi.
Hi.
Tomorrow Santa comes.
Okay.
I have something in my butt bag.
Okay, y'all. Let's get up out of
Let's
here.
see it in the car. All right, so we got baby girl number 1. Well, she's number 2. Got baby girl number 2. We are going back to the car to wait for baby girl number 1. She doesn't get out until 3:20. It is now 3:06, December 6th, 2018. So today in class we did a lot of fucking work for no damn reason. She's like trying to pile everything up at the last minute, and she had about 6 weeks to do everything. So right now we're doing labs. We're doing a quiz that's on Tuesday. Then we have our final. We had to do our study guide for the final. We still got homework in the book. We still got homework on the computer.
She getting heavy too.
So, duh.
Motherfucker getting fat too.
So, yeah.
She about big
How
as
was
I
y'all
motherfucker.
day? How was y'all Vlogmas day number 6? As usual, what did y'all do? Let me know down below. I don't know if y'all are feeling these vlogs so far, but if y'all are, thumbs up the video. Let me know a little something, something. How can I improve? Stop. Oh, I wish you would stop. But yeah.
Daddy, why can't I see your underpants?
Cause
What did you do today?
Underpants.
What did you do today? This is the first time we are both out together picking up the kids from school.
No, it's not.
No, the first day of school we did it too. But what did you do today?
Me?
Yeah.
Did what daddies do, man.
What do daddies do?
Get money.
Oh, but we're broke. I wish they saw that part, man. If my phone wasn't acting funny just took everything. iCloud too. If y'all iPhone did that, let me know.
They ain't iPhone ain't.
Cause I know my cause Ada's hers did it.
The only iPhone in America do stupid stuff like this.
No, Ada's did it too.
No, it's your phone.
Right when mine's did it, all her photos, all her videos got deleted. They not on her iCloud
Sound like
or
you're lying to
nothing.
me.
Ada, let him know down below that your shit deleted everything too.
What it sound
I
like?
had to factory restore my phone, y'all.
Sound like they lying to me.
So everything is cold. But yeah, it's too cold. My hands are freezing holding this phone. So I will see y'all when I get home. So yeah, peace. Hey y'all. I know you can't see me. My bad. It's dark as hell. It's nighttime. Y'all can see me a little bit, so that's good enough.
Oh my God.
I am ending. Oh, look, Ash, I need to put some lotion on. I just got out the shower. Just ate dinner. Now I am about to do my homework. Hubby is playing the game over there. Say hey. And the children are in the kitchen over. Where is that? Nope, they are over there. Somewhere over there.
Oh my God.
You didn't have to bring the plug. So yeah, I'm about to do my homework. Call it a day. So I wanted to end this vlog with saying thank you for watching. If you are new, welcome to the Glam fam. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. If y'all are my glam dolls, just leave a comment, thumbs up. Let me know that y'all watched it. So yeah, thank y'all. I love y'all. See you Vlogmas day number 6.